The big story that we have for you is what Shahid Afridi has said. India hater, ISI puppet and former Pakistani cricket team captain Shahid Afridi has turned into a Rahul Gandhi fan. That's right. He seems to be showering praises on Rahul Gandhi, the leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha here in India, calling him a man with a positive mindset. In fact, he has slammed Prime Minister Narendra Modi, accusing him of playing Hindu-Muslim politics. Afridi's comments clearly have left, in fact, the Bharatiya Janata Party's netas fuming. Let's now go across to my colleague Arunil, who's joining us live right now for more on this. Arunil, many are asking, nobody has asked for Shahid Afridi's advice on how India really functions, the politics that we have here in India. And second, the BJP clearly is fuming with the way Rahul Gandhi has been praised, because it's not the first time. We have seen many a times in the past as well, Rahul Gandhi's comments, Congress party's comments, in fact, have been picked by people in Pakistan and have been used for an anti-India narrative.
Well, it will be interesting to see how Rahul Gandhi or the Congress party reacts to this. The BJP clearly is attacking this, saying that those who are enemies of India, those who speak against the interest of India, against the security of India, against our army as well. Time and again we have seen that they have praised Rahul Gandhi. Why is it so? And why doesn't Rahul Gandhi speak about it? Why doesn't Rahul Gandhi speak against these people? Shahid Afridi, as we know, right from his playing days, is been known to play to the galleries of the Pakistani people. Many Pakistanis who hate Indian Army, who hate PM Modi, who hate the BJP, he always makes comments against those elements in India that will attract or that will be praised by the people of Pakistan. Now, here also, Shahid Afridi, the former Pakistani captain, is criticizing and speaking in a hateful manner against PM Modi. But at the same time, he is openly praising Rahul Gandhi. This is again an attempt to play to the galleries. He has been doing this time and again. He has made statements in the favor of Yasin Malik as well, a separatist who has been sentenced to life imprisonment by India. When he was playing in Mohali as well during his playing days, he made comments against Kashmir as well. He purposely does this, but during this attempt, why is he praising Rahul Gandhi? The BJP clearly is attacking, saying that all those who are enemies of India, who speak against the interest of India, somehow they have the knack of praising Rahul Gandhi, and the Congress and Rahul Gandhi never react to it.
Right. Clearly, we have not really seen a direct reaction coming in from Rahul Gandhi. But what about other leaders of the Congress party? What is it that they have to say? Because BJP, like I said, is fuming. We tried to speak with the allies of the Congress party in the INDI bloc, for example, the Samajwadi Party. No reaction there coming in as well. So what is it that the Congress netas overall, Arunil, have to say about this kind of a comment from Shahid Afridi?
Well, we've tried to speak to these Congress leaders as well. They have been maintaining a very stoic silence, and that has been done in several other cases as well. All those international leaders, mainly from Pakistan or in the past as well, those who've been criticizing PM Modi, we have seen them that they have a kind of a soft corner for Rahul Gandhi, who's the main leader of opposition in India. In fact, the kind of allegation from the BJP side is that those who want India's downfall, those who basically want to work against India, have been working in connivance with a certain political party. And whenever Rahul Gandhi has made any kind of a speech against the developments that have been taking place in India with respect to democracy as well on a foreign soil, that has been heavily criticized by the BJP as well. The BJP stance is that when it comes to India, all the political parties should stand firm and united. You should not basically make comments against the country on a foreign soil. Here, Shahid Afridi, again, one person, a former cricketer, former captain of Pakistan, but somebody who has always made comments against India's interests, India's army. In fact, recently, when a war-like situation had developed between India and Pakistan, Shahid Afridi could be openly seen holding a procession in the favor of the Pakistani army and degrading India's army and India's Air Force. Such kind of a person now praising Rahul Gandhi. How does the Congress party or Rahul Gandhi react to it? Because they have not reacted till now. That again we'll be keeping a close eye on, and their reaction again will be interesting to watch out for.
Right. Arunil, stay on with us. BJP clearly has reacted strongly. Arunil continues to be with us at this point in time. Before I go back to him, listen into the reaction that we've got from the Bharatiya Janata Party, where BJP's national spokesperson Shehzad Poonawala in fact has said that everyone who hates India finds an ally in Rahul Gandhi and the Congress party. Listen in.
शाहिद अफरीदी जो भारत की सेना के खिलाफ, भारत के लोगों के खिलाफ और आतंकवाद के पक्ष में बोलता है, जो एक आईएसआई एजेंट की तरह बोलता है, आज उसने बुरी बुरी प्रशंसा की है राहुल गांधी और कहता है कि प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी तो जैसे इजराइल गाजा को ट्रीट करता है वैसे पाकिस्तान को ट्रीट करते हैं। पर यह शाहिद अफरीदी राहुल गांधी के कसीदे गाता है। हाफिज सईद ने भी कहा था कांग्रेस अच्छी पार्टी है, उसने भी कसीदे गाए थे। और सामने कांग्रेस पार्टी भी 370 हो, सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक हो, बालाकोट एयर स्ट्राइक हो या हाफिज साहब कहना हो, हमेशा पाकिस्तान के नैरेटिव से नैरेटिव मिलाना और सुर से सुर मिलाने का काम करता है।
Rashid Alvi of the Congress party is joining us on the phone line. Good afternoon, Mr. Rashid Alvi. Appreciate you speaking with us here on Times Now. Firstly, how will you like to respond to this comment coming in from Shahid Afridi, who says Rahul Gandhi has a very positive mindset. He believes in dialogue. However, the BJP-led government in India always plays the religion card to stay in power. This is a very bad mindset.
You know what Shahid Afridi has said? He is absolutely right as far as his comment about Rahul Gandhi is concerned. And how can you stop anybody, whether one may be our enemy, if he is praising us or criticizing us, how can we stop him? Whether we should go to Pakistan to attack, what do you mean? And as far as his statement regarding Hindu-Muslim politics of BJP, it is also correct. You ask anybody from any corner of the world, they will say, yes, BJP is doing this communal politics. It is, I think, what Afridi has said, he is absolutely right.
Okay.
He may be Pakistani, he may be whatever he is, he may be our enemy, but who has allowed our cricket team to play with Pakistan?
Okay.
It is present comment.
Mr. Rashid Alvi, BJP says that everyone who hates India, and Shahid Afridi is a known India hater, finds an ally in Rahul Gandhi and Congress party. BJP says that the statements often made by Rahul Gandhi and several leaders of the Congress party are used often by leaders in Pakistan, people in Pakistan, to spread an anti-India narrative. Your reaction?
You just let me know if sometimes Dawood Ibrahim praises Narendra Modi, then what will we do?
But sir, that's not my question. My question to you is direct. What will you say to BJP netas who are saying that everyone who hates India finds an ally in Rahul Gandhi and Congress?
Do you not think that China hates us? It was China and Pakistan together to fight India, fight us. Why Prime Minister went there?
Sir, that's not the answer to my question. I am again asking you the point, your reaction to this view of the BJP, because BJP has cited instances of the past as well where Rahul Gandhi's comments, Congress Neta's comments have been used by Pakistanis to spread an anti-India narrative.
So we are against, if anybody speaks against India, whether it is Nawaz Sharif or Shahid Afridi or president of any country, we are against. But if anybody is praising us, whether it is Rahul Gandhi or Narendra Modi, how can you stop? You tell me.
No, I'm not stopping. We are reporting this particular story. I'm just seeking your reaction because there's a comment that has come from the BJP. We thought we should ask Congress how the Congress party thinks about, this comment.
BJP should always remember it was Indira Gandhi, grandmother of Rahul Gandhi. It was Indira Gandhi who was the senior most leader of Congress party, who was divided Pakistan into two parts. How can you blame Congress Party?
No, I am not blaming. Nobody is blaming Congress here for anything. I'm just seeking your response. Okay, one last question, Mr. Rashid Alvi, before I let you go. Since you have said whatever Shahid Afridi has said is absolutely right, I just want you to also then, in a way, tell us if you agree to the point that he made, because he used this particular, thing to actually say, is one Israel not enough that you're trying to become another? So he is trying to say that India wants to become another Israel. Do you think he's right on that part also?
No, again and again I'm saying, if anybody speaks against India, against the interest of India, all of them are our enemies. No doubt in it. We hate all of them. We are
but then
Indians, whether it is...
You're okay to accept the praises that are being showered, but in the same breath, when he's saying that India is on its way to become another Israel, you're saying that you're not okay with it?
Yeah, definitely. If anybody criticizes our country, how can we tolerate it? How can we tolerate it? But if anybody is praising any leader of our country, how can we go to hit him? It is not possible.
All right. Mr. Rashid Alvi, appreciate you speaking with us here on Times Now and sharing with us your perspective on this story. We are again joined by Anurag Bhadoria of the Samajwadi Party. Good afternoon, Anurag Bhadoria ji. मुझे उम्मीद है कि अब आप अपनी सहमति से आए होंगे हमारे साथ इस मामले पर बातचीत करने के लिए, और आपको अब शायद ये भी पता चल गया होगा कि शाहिद अफरीदी कौन है. तो आपकी क्या टिप्पणी रहेगी टू व्हाट शाहिद अफरीदी हैज सेड?
आपने इतना शाहिद अफरीदी गा दिया, इतना चिल्ला दिया आपने कि तब हमने जाके देखा आखिर कौन है, पता लगाए हैं कौन शख्स. फिर देखा एक अभी यूट्यूब उस पे मैं देख रहा था, किसी ने एक बीजेपी के नेता के साथ फोटो एक व्यक्ति की पोस्ट की है. तो मैंने देखा ये कौन व्यक्ति है, तो पता लगाया गया कि यही शाहिद अफरीदी है जिसको आप बार बार सुबह से चिल्ला रही हैं.
नहीं, चिल्ला नहीं रहे हम, उसकी खबर आई है उसको बोल रहे हैं. एक तो आप अपनी भाषा को थोड़ा सा जो है, तो मैं आपसे बहुत ही रिस्पेक्टफुली बात कर रही हूँ अनुराग भदौरिया जी, एंड आई एक्सपेक्ट द सेम फ्रॉम यू. प्लीज नहीं, हम चिल्ला नहीं रहे हैं. पहली बात तो ये है, हम आराम से आपसे सवाल पूछ रहे हैं. आपके पास जवाब है तो बहुत अच्छी बात है, नहीं है तो फिर कोई बात
नहीं. आपको नहीं है दिक्कत है. मैंने कहा फोटो हमने देखी कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी के नेता के साथ उस व्यक्ति की फोटो है. अब ये सवाल तो उस भारतीय जनता पार्टी के नेता से पूछना चाहिए कि आपके साथ इस व्यक्ति की फोटो क्यों है.
तारीफ तो वो राहुल गांधी की कर रहे हैं, बीजेपी लेड गवर्नमेंट को तो वो कह रहे हैं कि आप रिलीजियस कार्ड प्ले करते हैं.
यही मैं कह रहा हूँ, इसी को हम लोग बोलते हैं कि आप बायस हैं. अब हम जो पूछ रहे हैं वो आप नहीं बोलना चाह रहे.
सर, सवाल तो मेरा काम है ना पूछने का. आप एक पार्टी को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, आपका काम है जवाब देने का. आप यहाँ पर मेरे से क्या सवाल पूछने के लिए आए हैं फोन पर?
बिल्कुल, जब आप मुझसे सवाल पूछेंगे तो मैं.
सर, मेरा काम है सवाल पूछना. इट इज माई जॉब टू आस्क क्वेश्चंस. अगर आपके पास नहीं है जवाब, पहले आप हमें टारगेट करते हैं, उसके बाद आप हमसे ही सवाल पूछने लग जाते हैं. इफ यू डोंट हैव एन आंसर, इट्स ओके.
तो भाई आप हल्ला मचा रहे हैं. मैंने कहा कि मेरा भी
आपके पास रिएक्शन है, आपके पास है कुछ कहने को. सुन लीजिए अनुराग भदौरिया जी, एक सेकंड आप मेरा पहले सवाल सुन लीजिए. अनुराग भदौरिया जी, आप सवाल सुनिए पहले. आपके पास पहले सवाल का जवाब नहीं है, ठीक है. बीजेपी का कहना है, सुन लीजिए अनुराग भदौरिया जी, बीजेपी का कहना है कि जो भी एंटी इंडिया लोग बात करते हैं वो कांग्रेस और राहुल गांधी के एक तरह से एलाई बन जाते हैं. इस पर कुछ टिप्पणी है आपकी?
है, मैं कह रहा हूं कि आपको जितनी डिफेंड तरीके से आप बीजेपी को करते हैं ना, तो आप.
सर, हम किसी को डिफेंड नहीं कर रहे हैं, हम सवाल पूछ रहे हैं आपसे. आपके पास नहीं है जवाब, इट्स ओके, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. आपको पहले शाहिद अफरीदी के बारे में पता नहीं था, लेकिन आप फोन पर तुरंत आ गए थे, और अभी आप खुद हमें बोल रहे हैं कि हम बीजेपी को डिफेंड करें. यहाँ बीजेपी को कौन डिफेंड कर रहा है, बताइए मेरे को.
कर रहे हैं ना, क्या बोले नहीं दे रहे मुझे. मैं कह रहा हूँ,
चलिए आप बताइए, आपके पास 60 सेकेंड है, कोई जवाब है तो दीजिए.
हाँ दी, मैंने कहा कि मैंने बताया एक फोटो मैंने देखी बीजेपी के नेता के साथ, उस व्यक्ति की फोटो है जिसका आप नाम लेके चिल्ला रहे हैं. उस व्यक्ति,
पहली बात तो हम चिल्ला नहीं रहे हैं, आप अपनी भाषा जो है थोड़ी सी सभ्य कर लीजिए. इट इज माय हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट.
अब अच्छा ठीक है, मैंने रिक्वेस्ट मान ली. तो मैं ये कह रहा हूँ देवी जी कि जो फोटो बीजेपी की नेता के साथ वायरल हो रही है उस पे सवाल मैं आपसे पूछ रहा हूँ, कौन है आप बताइए।
तो आप वो सवाल बीजेपी से पूछिए ना, मेरे से क्यों सवाल पूछ रहे हैं, हमसे क्यों सवाल पूछ रहे हैं?
अच्छा, वो बीजेपी की नेता की फोटो आपको नहीं दिखाई देती? आप तो
नहीं, आप सवाल बीजेपी से पूछिए ना। हमारे पास जो खबर आई है हम आपसे जवाब मांग रहे हैं, आपके पास जवाब नहीं है, आप मेरे पास सवाल लेकर आ गए। 1 घंटा पहले जब आप हमारे साथ जुड़े थे फोन पर, तब आपको पता ही नहीं था कि शाहिद अफरीदी है कौन, और उसके बाद जब आप दोबारा जुड़े हैं तब भी आपके पास जवाब नहीं। एनीवेज, आई रियली डोंट हैव टाइम टू वेस्ट। Anyways, Anurag Bhadoria ji, thank you very much for speaking with us here on Times Now. And I won't say for sharing with us your perspective, because you didn't really have any in this particular story. We have, in fact, another reaction now coming in from Bharatiya Janata Party, which we are going to play for you in just a bit. But viewers, you heard how the allies of the Congress Party in the INDIA bloc are really responding to this entire controversy. There is somebody who is a known India hater. We're talking about Shahid Afridi. He has praised Rahul Gandhi. Of course, there's nothing wrong in it. But at the same time, he has said that he's asked a question, in fact, is one Israel not enough that you're trying to become another? And this he has said in the same breath, because he's accusing the current government of playing religion card to win elections, to come back in power. Congress Party says there's nothing wrong in what he has really said. If he's praised Rahul Gandhi, there's nothing wrong in it. Listen in to how the BJP netas are reacting.
खूंखार आतंकवादी यासीन मलिक का खुलकर समर्थन करने वाला पाकिस्तान का क्रिकेटर शाहिद अफरीदी अब राहुल गांधी की तारीफ कर रहा है, और दूसरी ओर मोदी सरकार जो पाकिस्तान के आतंकवादियों को घर में घुसकर मार करके आ रहा है, उस मोदी सरकार पर कटाक्ष कर रहा है। क्या कारण है कि पाकिस्तान के आतंकवादियों के समर्थन करने वाले लोग राहुल गांधी की प्रशंसा करने के पीछे राज क्या है?